Cedric with a little...
If they're diving, book them. If they're
Oh,
diving, book
God, Fernandes.
He's not Ty.
Be a man.
Ty, he's not
Be a
diving.
man. Wait, if that was me, I'd be waiting for him in the tunnel.
The players are so angry about
Sort
it.
him out. Go and do it then. Go and do it against West Ham. Go and do it. He was absolute. He strolled around there like yesterday. Strolled around there thinking, I'm Billy Bigger because I got hat-trick against Sheffield tonight. How dare you do that on a football field playing in an Arsenal shirt? Get your act together and make sure you do it against Newcastle. And I can say the same for about 5 or 6 of those players. Shinchenko. Where is he? Where is he? Get him home now. Oh! He ain't on his game there, William. He ain't even looking.
Is that Paul?
Wasn't even watching.
Let's have a look now.
Let's
check that.
It's a touch.
And a
Are you
yellow.
joking? Is he going to seriously
Look at that. He's give it a yellow tin. You've started, ain't you?
I love our star boy going
Star
for the
boy.
title, not top 4 Southgate. Get him off now, please. Look, he don't want Arsenal in the league. Keep him on there. Go on. He's having a little. Pep's coming round to do your win.
I'll tell you what, if Saka was to get injured now, can you imagine?
God forbid.
I'll go down there. I'll go down Wembley myself. Run him over.
No. Obviously, we don't condone that.
Dude, next time he plays for England in the summer, I want Saka pulling out. I want him saying, I'm pulling out of your squad. And I want Mikel to do it now. You ain't playing in the summer. Those 2 games in the summer, you can stuff one to take. You ain't having him Southgate. I now know that Southgate does not want Arsenal to win that league. Well, unfortunately, Gareth, we're coming for you. You dirty Manchester City fan.
I think
he does it in a North London derby, this bloke. He's doing it in...
But Lee, if I
don't know what it is. Get on your game. You can't legislate. Absolutely toothless. We haven't got hold of the ball and control. What I have seen today is a centre half bully a defence into what we've done. If that was Arsenal playing today, we'd be going, Arteta, how great are you? Yeah. How great a performance is it is? And instead of it, we're slagging off Arsenal. He's saying to him, you couldn't wait to give it to Partey, could you? You couldn't wait to give it to Partey, but now, don't matter, let him off.
He's actually hurt.
God, get on your touch. That is awful.
Legislate for that.
Yeah. That's nothing about tactics or anything. Hey, sloppy play.
Thank you.
Going like that in front of me, that's the last thing I'd do is like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, me as well.
It'd be in a
fucking shake his fucking hand, you dirty Portuguese slag. Fucking hit him.
They acted decisively.
They are everything. They are everything that we want to be. Tottenham Hotspur at this moment. Exactly what they're doing is what we want to be, and we should be ahead of them. And we should be ahead of them. 10 years ahead of them. We should be. And a fucking chairman and an owner that cares. We have not got an owner that fucking cares. Listen, I don't give a matter what Wenger now. Fucking Gazidis, get off your fucking arse and do something now, because it's not on. It's fucking not on what he's doing now. Get off your arse and sort this shambles out. Fucking 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
That fucking Southgate.
Why is Raheem?
Fucking so.
Given a foul.
When he was on, took our best player off for Sterling, by the way. Took our best player off, who was causing absolute mayhem down the right-hand side, and he's brought on someone that's been back and forth. You know what I mean? You are an absolute fucking... You know, you ain't good enough. He ain't good enough, Nick. Oh, Christ almighty, let him run 20, 30 yards. Fucking all of them, innit? Mercy. The power of that man, he can't fucking handle it.
At least we've got one on that. Come on, man. Just
Take my feet.
I think you've got to get on your game, hooligan. What the fucking hell is Arteta doing here? Why have we got him at left back? It's all over. I can't believe we've capitulated like this. 4 points. In lead, you sperm, mate.
Oh my God!
God! Get some quality to it! For crying out loud! 80 minutes and not one bit of quality tonight! Jesus Christ, mate!
I would have just...
Do yourself a favour, Arteta.
Oh my God!
What is he doing, Odegaard? Shoot! What is he doing? I've had enough of him not shooting. Why are you not shooting, you captain? Why would you fucking doing this, mate? Wrong fucking side fucking useless.
Oh, he's done it again, that Harry Kane. That fucking. That is a foul.
You fucking little bastard.
He does it.
He's done it again. You dirty bastard. You've done it again.
To sit fifth today.
Can we find a way? Can we win it? Can we find a way? You know what I mean? We're in a relegation battle more than a fucking top. What I've seen today.
They played us off the park today.
7th in the league again. You know what I mean? Just absolute prime points left, right, and centre. Fucking idiot in charge.
We're meant to be in this big six,
We're in a big six with this manager now. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
It's an amazing tackle.
What's he saying now?
What's he done? He's going.
If you're looking at the screen, don't ever referee a football game again.
No, you know what? I'm sorry, but why is VAR telling him to look at the screen?
Referee.
What's his name?
Don't ever referee this football game ever again. You're a disgrace!
How many times do you need to see it, Taylor?
They need to show the right
Why does he need to watch that 4 times?
He shouldn't even be giving it!
What is he saying?
Yeah, you're a fucking How can you ever give that? How can you ever give it?
How can
Don't worry about VAR. If there was no VAR, that's a penalty, and that is a joke of a referee.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Joke!
That's a give that.
Give that Harry Kane. Oh, you two not give that!
How is that not a penalty? That is
Look at him. Where is this referee? I can't stand the bloke. And like last week, they fucking couldn't wait to give a penalty. Against that you're watching, are you?
The defenders.
Look, there's nothing on this. What has he done for that decision?
Just wants to bring Eddie on. That's what it is. I've got to bring Eddie on.
That's what it is.
It is. I've got to bring Eddie on.
Got to bring him on.
Get
there, Eddie. Get there!
Don't! Fouled it.
Oh, you
rubbish.
Get up! We're losing! Get up!
Oh, fucking that's.
Oh, you fucking get up!
Yeah,
come on! Do something!
We have not defended that. You can see from their players that they don't really know how they won that game. To be fair to them, how they've done it, if they defended better than us, right? We dominated the game. Get the ball, lump it down the pitch, and it is so frustrating that they have ended up. How they won that game. To be fair to them, how they won that game. To be fair to them, how they won that game. To be fair to them, how they.
At the same time as me. That's why we all flipped up like that. I say, what are you looking at?